Okay, my children. Yesterday we have discussed open the page number 132. Open the page number 132 in the textbook. Page number 132. Page number 132. Have you opened the textbook? Have you
Yes, sir.
opened the textbook, my children? Have you opened the textbook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you take screenshot and send me on your screen how it is looking. Okay. Not now, later. Please send me a snap. Take screenshot and send me one screenshot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See the question number 3. Find the inverse of each of the matrices given in the exercise 5 to 11. From question number 5 to 11. From question number 5 to 11. You have to find inverse. In previous chapter, in the previous exercise, in the previous chapter, matrices, we have found inverse of a matrix using elementary transformations. Yes or no? That is one method. Using elementary transformations, we found inverse of a matrix. But here, we don't use elementary transformations by using the formula A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. That is the formula. By using this formula, we find inverse of the matrix. If it is mentioned clearly in the question paper, if they mention it clearly, find the inverse of a matrix by using elementary transformations. In that case, you follow that method only. In that case, you should not use A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. You should not use this formula to find inverse of the given matrix. Okay, my children?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, see here, question number 6. Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the inverse of two minus 2, 4, 3. This is a given matrix. We have to find inverse of this matrix. So first of all, let us assume that given matrix is A. Okay. So let A is equal to 2 minus 2, 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 4, 3. Now, how to find inverse of this matrix? How do you find inverse of this matrix? A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. This is the formula. By using this formula, A inverse is equal to adjoint 1 by det A into adjoint A. So, first of all, we find det A. First of all, before going to find adjoint A, first we find det A. Because if you det A is equal to 0, if the value of det A is equal to 0, then we say that it is a singular matrix. In that case, we cannot find inverse of the given matrix. So, first and foremost thing is find det A. So, det A at 2 minus 2, 4, 3. How do you find? Just like cross multiplication. 2 into 3 minus 4 into minus 2. 6 plus 8. It is not equal to 0, so it is a non-singular matrix. So we can find inverse of this matrix. Here delta is not equal to 0. Previously we have discussed this point. If a matrix is a singular matrix, means delta is equal to 0, we cannot find inverse of the matrix. If delta is non-zero, means it is a non-singular matrix. In that case, we can find inverse of the matrix. So we have delta equal 14. It is a non-zero number. Now we find adjoint A. How do you find adjoint A? Within a single step. Within a single step, I explain for a 2 by 2 square matrix to find adjoint A in this diagonal. Please remember this diagonal is called principal diagonal. This diagonal, main diagonal. For any square matrix, this left uppermost corner to right down corner. If you join this line, that diagonal is called principal diagonal of a square matrix. So in this principal diagonal, just we interchange numerical values 3, 2, and in the next diagonal, just we change the sign. So here minus 2 is there, we write 2, here 4 is there, minus 4. That's all. This is adjoint A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. We have found already det A separately. We have found adjoint A separately. We are substituting these two values. We are substituting these two values in this formula. That's all. So 1 by 14 into what is adjoint A? 3, 2 minus 4, 2. Multiply every element of this matrix by 1 by 14. So 3 by 14, 2 by 14, minus 4 by 14, 2 by 14. Again, let us simplify. Let us write these fractions in its simplest form, in its lowest terms. So 3 by 14, 2 1 times, 2 7 times. So 1 by 7, 2 times, 2 7 times, minus 2 by 7, 2 1s, 2 7s, 1 by 7. This is the inverse of the given matrix. This is the inverse of the given matrix. Okay, my children, this is the page number 1. Take screenshot. Take screenshot fast. Understood this, my children? Understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, take screenshot fast. Take this screenshot fast.
Taken, sir.
Have you taken a screenshot?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you taken a
Yes, sir.
screenshot?
Yes, sir.
So I don't explain question number 6 because it is also a square matrix of order 2 by 2. So follow the same procedure for question number 6. Will you do this question number 6 as homework?
Okay, sir.
Now question number 7. Here also I don't explain each and every question. I will explain question number 7. You will try question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. All these questions are of the same type. Only numerical values are changed. Elements or entries of the matrix are changed. Procedure is the same. Same procedure. You should follow the same procedure. Now this is page number 2 for your classwork notes. Here I am not explaining question number 6. Do the question as homework. Question number 7. Find the inverse of matrix 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. This is the given matrix. This is the given matrix. We have to find inverse of this matrix. What I term by using this formula, we are going to find the inverse of this matrix. Inverse of this matrix. So let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. First of all, let us find det A, determinant of this matrix. First of all, let us find det A. Okay, det A. Det 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. When you are finding determinant of a matrix, we have to choose any row or any column in which more number of zeros. We have to choose any row or any column in which more number of zeros are there. To expand the determinant, then it is easier for calculation. That is why we have to observe the rows or columns in which more number of zeros. If we observe in the first column, 2 zeros are there, or in the third column also 2 zeros are there. So to calculate, to evaluate determinant of this matrix, you can choose first column or third row. We have to expand this determinant along the first column or along the third row. In both cases, you get the same answer. In both cases, you get the same answer. Now, can you find determinant of this matrix by expanding the first column and taking the first column and expanding this determinant along the first column? Then what will you get here? Sign matrix. So plus into. So 1 into close this row and close this column. Close this row and close this column. What will you get here? 2, 4, 0, 5. That's all. Here we are not taking a 0, second element and third element. By expanding Here, to evaluate the determinant of this matrix, I expanded C3, sorry, C1. I expanded C1. I expanded C1, first column. I expanded first column because in the first column there are more number of zeros are there. So it is easier to us to calculate, to evaluate this determinant. Understood this step, my children? Understood
Yes,
this
sir.
step?
Yes, sir.
Why we have expanded C1 only? You can choose any row or any column. Finally, you get the same answer. Finally, you get the same answer. So, 1 into 2 into 5 minus 0 into 4. From here to here, up to top to bottom, bottom to top. 2 into 5 minus 0 into 4, like this. Remember these steps. So what will you get here? 10 minus 0. We got a non-zero number. It is a non-singular matrix. Previously I told you, remember these words. It is a non-zero because it is a non-zero. 10. So it is a non-singular matrix. We can find its determinant. Only for singular matrices we cannot find its inverse. We cannot find its inverse. Here, determinant of this matrix is non-zero. It is a non-singular matrix, so we can find its inverse. Understood this point, my children? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now take this screenshot. Take this page number 2. Take this page screenshot. Make it fast. Make it fast. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we found det A. Here we found det A. What should be found here? Letter. What should be found?
Adjoint A, sir.
Yes, adjoint A. I explained adjoint of a square matrix of order 3 in one step, in a single step. I explained that also. How do you get adjoint A? Adjoint A plus minus and plus empty determinant minus empty determinant plus empty determinant minus empty determinant plus empty determinant minus empty determinant plus empty determinant. Now find adjoint of A, adjoint of the matrix A. I told you, yes, in this step we can find its determinant. It's adjoint. So close the first row and first column. What will you get here? 2405, 2405. Next, keep the same scale where there only. Now close the second column. 0405. I am writing the cofactors. Here I am writing the cofactors of the first row. Next, close the third column. 0200. Understood these three elements, my children, in the first column.
Yes,
Understood
sir.
these three elements? Understood these three elements in the first column?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Similarly, we find these three elements. Close the second row. Close the second row. Keep it as it is. First, close this first column. Close the first column. 2305. Next, close the second column. Close the second column. 1305. And close the third column. Third column. 1200. Understood these three elements? Understood these
Yes,
three
sir.
elements, my children? In the second column, these are the cofactors. These three are the cofactors of the elements in the second row. We wrote as a second column. Remember this point. Okay, my children?
Yes, sir.
Only Joseph is responding. What about other
Yes, sir.
children? Sleeping? Sleeping or not? Are you sleeping?
Sir, I think the laptop is too far from you, no, sir. So we have to speak a little louder, sir. I think Grayson was also answering, sir.
Oh,
So you
answering.
need to
He is
speak
also
louder for you
answering.
to hear it, sir.
But only your voice, I am audible to Joseph's voice only.
Yes, sir. Like I'm not so loud, sir. I'm less.
Uh,
Sir, we have
okay,
to
only
shout,
Grayson
sir.
and
Then
Joseph.
only
What
we can hear, sir.
about Preetika, Blessina, Stace Johnson, Pavarsan Churchill, Jerome Jasviraj, Kevin Paul? Please respond to my question, my dear children. Otherwise, otherwise I will think you are sleeping, just attending the class.
Yes, sir.
Actually, you have to turn on your cameras. I told you clearly, you have to turn on your cameras. Then I can understand, yes, you are online. You are listening the class. Then I can understand you are listening the class. If you are not on the screen, then I will think you are sleeping. Just attended for the namesake, you attended the class and sleeping. Don't commit these mistakes. Now come to the third row. Third row. Close the third row. First column 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. Now close the second column 1, 3, 0, 4. And close the third column 1, 2, 0, 2. So this is adjoint A. In a single step, we can find adjoint A in a single step. Now simplify here. You have to calculate these numbers in your mind or in rough work. In rough work. But I am writing directly the answer here. I am writing the direct answer. 2, 5, 10. 10 minus 0. 10. 10 minus 0, we get 10. 2, 5, 10. 10 minus 0, here also 10. But here minus is there. Minus 10. Minus 10. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. Minus 2 threes are 6. So 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Here I calculated these determinants in our mind. In my mind itself, I calculated the determinants of these 2 by 2 matrices. Similarly, 0. So finally we get here 0 in the second row. In the second row we get 0. 5 minus 0. 5 only. 5. 4 minus 0. But here minus is there. Minus 4. Minus 4. Okay. Now come to the third row. 0 minus 0. 0. 1, 0 minus 0, here also 0. 2 minus 0, 2. This is adjoint A. This is adjoint A. Now, take screenshot, my children. Take screenshot. Take the screenshot of this page number 3 for preparing your classes notes. Take screenshot first. Have you taken a screenshot? Have you taken a screenshot of
Yes,
page
sir.
number 3?
Yes, sir.
Now come to the page number 4. Come to the page number 4. We got here adjoint A. Previously we have found det A also. We found det A also. Now we take formula. Therefore, we take here formula A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. What is the value of det A here? What is the value of det A?
10, sir.
So 1 by 10, 1 by 10. What is adjoint A here? This is the adjoint A we have found. 10 minus 10, 2. 0, 5, minus 4, 0, 0, 2. You can leave the answer by this step. You can leave the answer by this step. Otherwise, if you go for the next step, we can do it also. Multiply each and every number, each and every element in this matrix by 1 by 10. Or divide each and every element of this matrix by 10. So 10 by 10, minus 10 by 10, 2 by 10, 0 by 10, 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, 0 by 10, 0 by 10, 2 by 10. Now simplify. Here we get 1, minus 1, 1 by 5, 0, 5 by 10, 1 by 2, minus 2 by 5, 0, 0, we can do this also. This is inverse of the given matrix. Okay, my children. Take the screenshot of this page number 4. Take the screenshot of this page number 4.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
So, do the question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, my children. Do these 4 questions as homework. Entries of this matrix are different, but procedure is same. Same procedure. Will you do these questions as homework?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubts, if you have any confusion in doing your homework sums, feel free to ask your doubts and get your doubts clarified. But don't escape. In completing your homework sums. Okay, my children. It's your responsibility. It's your duty. It's okay. Sir is not asking. Sir is not asking particularly and regularly. Why are you not completing homework? Why are you not submitting classwork notes? It's your studies, not mine. It's not mine. You have to do your duty sincerely and seriously. No one force you. It's your responsibility. Understood, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyhow, sir is not asking any homework or any classwork. It impacts on your internal marks. On your internal marks. Okay, my children. Now, come to the question number 12. Question number 12. This is the question of page number 5 for your classwork notes. See the question number 12. See here, question number 12. Let A is equal to matrix 3, 7, 2, 5 and B is equal to matrix 6, 8, 7, 9. Verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. You have to verify AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So, let us write given data. This question is a combination of multiplication of matrices, multiplication of matrices, okay, multiplication of matrices and the inverse of a matrix. This question is based on the combination of multiplication of matrices and the inverse of a matrix. Now see the question. Two matrices are given, namely A and B. We have to verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. We have to verify this. Whenever and wherever you are getting a sentence or any statement, first we have to focus on the part which is given within the brackets. First we have to focus. We have to evaluate the value of the expression which is given inside the given brackets. So inside the given brackets, what is there here? Within the
A
brackets,
into B,
what
sir.
is there?
Inverse equal to A inverse. Sorry, B inverse A, sir.
Huh?
Sir,
AB.
A into B is given in the bracket, sir.
AB. AB is given within the brackets. AB is given within the brackets. So first we find AB. So here within the brackets, AB is there. So we have to find AB first. AB 3725 into 6879. You have to recollect the multiplication of two matrices. You have to recollect the concept of multiplication of two matrices. How do you multiply? How do you multiply? We have to draw the horizontal lines in the first matrix and the vertical lines in the second matrix, just below the first row, second row, third row. Similarly, in the second matrix, just beside the first column, second column, third column. You have to remember these steps. So 3 into 6, 3 into 6 plus 7 into 7. If you are not strong, if you don't know well the product of two matrices, you can't do this question. You should learn.
Sir, your camera, so your mobile's camera is off, sir. Laptop is on, sir.
Laptop
but
camera is only visible, sir. Your mobile camera, I think it's off, sir, during the questions, starting of the questions.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the back camera is on, sir. The front camera is not visible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yes. So 3 into 6 plus 7 into 7. If you don't know, if you did not learn how to multiply two matrices, you can't do this question. You should be strong in multiplying two matrices. Okay, 3 into 8. 3 into 8 plus 7 into 9. First row elements over. Take the second row elements. 2 into 6 plus 5 into 7. Take the second column, second row, second column. 2 into 8, 5 into 9. Now find AB. 18 plus 49. 24 plus 63, 18, 12 plus 35, 16 plus 45. 67, 87, 47, 61. Correctly. Check the answers.
Yes, sir.
67, 87, 47, 61. This is AB. This is AB only. But what is given? AB whole inverse. AB whole inverse. So let us assume that for our convenience, let us consider this is matrix C. C matrix. Let AB is equal to C. So we have to find inverse of this matrix C. Inverse of this matrix C. 67, 87, 47. So here we have to find inverse of the matrix C. AB whole inverse is nothing but C inverse. C inverse is nothing but AB whole inverse. So hereafter we got one matrix, a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Can you find inverse of this matrix? Can you find inverse of this matrix? Adjoint A by det A or 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A into adjoint A.
Yes, sir.
Hereafter, will you do the remaining part? Will you do
Okay,
the
sir.
remaining part? Find here inverse of the matrix C. That is only LHS. That is only LHS. We found AB whole inverse. After that, find B inverse. B inverse separately. Find B inverse separately. Can you do this? B inverse.
Yes, sir.
After that, find A inverse separately. Find A inverse separately. Can you find A inverse?
Yes, sir.
After that, what should you do? After finding B inverse and after finding A inverse,
Multiply them, sir.
multiply. Very good. You have to multiply B inverse and A inverse. Then you get one matrix. Finally, you get one matrix. Here also you found C inverse. Okay, at the beginning, before finding B inverse, before finding A inverse, you have found C inverse also. Then check the results. Then verify the results. You do that remaining part, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
There is no twist. There is no difficult. Just numerical values are changed. We have found inverse of A square matrix of order 2 by 2 in the question number 5. We follow the same steps here also to find C inverse, to find B inverse, to find C inverse and multiply B inverse and C inverse, A inverse. We'll check the remaining part. Will you verify?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, my dear children. Take screenshot of this page. Take screenshot of this page. Take screenshot of this page for your classwork notes. For your classwork notes, take screenshot. Make it fast. Have you taken a screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you all taken the screenshot? Joseph, Preetika,
Yes, sir.
Stan
Yes, sir.
Jackson, 0, Jasli Raj. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now send me once the screenshots to my WhatsApp number. Once let me check how the presentation is looking, how it is looking on your screen. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll send one picture.
Okay. Please send me the pictures. Okay, these 5 pages. First, send me these 5 pages. Okay. Now the time is 11 past 46 minutes, my dear children. Now you can leave the meeting. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Stay safe. Sanitize your hands frequently.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Maintain
Thank you, sir.
2 meters distance from others. Okay, my dear children. Thank you. Thank you all, my dear children.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.